Hi, my name is Andy and I'm a video editor. I have been for 20 years and I've just had to set up my own kit. So I'm using my little Mac Mini, which has been working fine. I'm working on an HD 1080 project, so it's not too complex and it's coping very well. When I started editing back in 1998, it was on Avid. I learned on Avid. In recent years, BBC have switched over from Avid to FCP7, and then they went from FCP7 to Premiere. I'm doing a short form history archive documentary. I was using a normal keyboard and I was slower than it felt frustrating. So I went to the normal sort of places. I bought mine on Amazon actually. It's an EditorsKeys keyboard and it's got the Premiere markings and it is a keyboard to most, but it is really a very useful tool. So it's made that transition from post-production house to editing at home much easier for me, because using a standard unmarked PC/Mac keyboard, it just removes all the questions from what my fingers are doing. And in terms of build quality, it is very sturdy. I went for the non-backlit one because I don't really work in the dark. It does the job. It's got the full number pad, it's got the full QWERTY keyboard, and most importantly, it's got every command that you need to use in Premiere. And sure, over time you get to know where those keys are and you can modify them to suit your needs as well. So when I came to buy my keyboard, I ummed and ahed, and there was a lot of umming and ahhing, because 60 quid on a keyboard, I thought, well, surely there must be a cheaper option. So I looked into that and looked into the stickers, and I have actually used the stickers before. They were disappointing. They left a little sticky patch where they slipped, because basically they're just printed stickers you attach to your existing keyboard, and they wore out very quickly. They got little white spots. Now I'm hoping this won't happen with this keyboard, and I have used EditorsKeys at work and the printing quality on the keys has been top notch. In terms of the actual feel of the keys, they're very high quality. They're sort of like reminiscent of what a MacBook Pro used to feel like, the sort of 2015 model, as opposed to the new Touch Bar one, which the keyboard sucks on that. This keyboard, the feel of it does not suck. It's a USB keyboard, so that makes it straightforward. It was literally plug it in and start pressing buttons. The keyboard itself is designed so it can be PC and Mac compatible. One slight criticism, and I understand why they did it, so they don't have to ship out loads of different types of keyboards, and plus it gives you the flexibility of being able to work across multiple PC, Mac platforms, which is great. But it does mean that you've got this odd split key thing going on here, and also you have to install a little bit of software if you're on a Mac that tells it where the Command and Alt keys are. It's all very clearly done, and it's all in drop-down menus, and it's all very straightforward. But there was one slight software snag which I quickly discovered, and it had something to do with my caps lock light. The caps lock light wouldn't work, so I thought initially I had a faulty keyboard, but then I went online and submitted a ticket to their support, and EditorsKeys got straight back to me within 24 hours and pointed me to a little check button in the settings software, which tells the keyboard and the computer that it's allowed to turn the light on. So it's all about permissions. EditorsKeys, I would say, offer a wide selection. If you've got a laptop and you want the latex overlays for your keyboard, they do those. They also do the backlit ones. There's a variety of different types for what suits your needs. For me, I like having a USB plug-in standard keyboard and a mouse, because I have, as I've had 20 years sitting at the edit desk, I do suffer from a bit of RSI in the shoulder if I don't get my posture correct. And I've got all the things that I normally have when I go and edit at a post-production place. I've got all that at my desk now, so I'm a happy editing bunny.